Welcome. In front of me is ACER Swift Go, and in this video I will show you how to make a screen recording on this laptop. So to begin the screen recording, use the combination of 3 keys: Windows, Shift and R. Once you press these 3 buttons simultaneously, this bar will appear at the top of your screen, and the other way to start a screen recording is by pressing the print screen button. And once you do that, click right here to change to record mode. Once you select record, select an area on your screen like this. You can change this selection by dragging the sides and corners of it. You'll see these 2 icons at the bar. This one unmutes your microphone, and this one mutes your system audio when you click on it. To start the screen recording, click right here. Then let the snipping tool access your microphone, and once the screen recording is started, you'll be able to pause it, clicking this icon, stop it, clicking this one, and erase it without saving by clicking this one. Now let's stop the recording, and immediately we'll get the full preview of the recording itself. You can trim it in here by using this quick trim tool at the top of your screen, or you can edit this video in Clipchamp by clicking right here. You can save changes by clicking right here, and if you want to find your recording in your file explorer, you have to open it, then go to videos folder, screen recordings, and here will be the screen recordings that was just made. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.